Not only does Camille Rose Naturals have great hair products, but they also have amazing skincare products. Check out this amazing body butter. Hi YouTube, Kai Metley here, and I wanted to do a review on the Camille Rose Lemon Meringue Whip Body Butter. Yes. This stuff is like heaven in a bottle, well, heaven in a jar. So basically, I obviously use this on my body, but Camille has products for body, hair, everything like that. And I actually got this as a sample at an event that I went to. When I tell you this stuff is like great, I mean, the ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamins A, C, and E, tea tree oil, fragrance, and essential oil blends, and love. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. So, I mean, it's just an all-natural product for dry skin. When I tell you this stuff was it smelled so good, I wanted to eat it. And I don't even like lemon meringue, whatever. I don't know if it's a lemon meringue pie or lemon meringue cake. I don't know. But this right here smelled so good, and it moisturized so well, and it's whipped, so it was very, very light. Like, I love this stuff. Like, I really, really, really do. If you haven't, I mean, you should at least try Camille Rose's products. I mean, they're amazing. I mean, they did wonders. This did wonders for my skin, and it lasted me for a long time because a little bit goes a long way. And it probably lasted me a while as well because I didn't want it to like go. And this was this was, I guess, kind of like a sample per se, because I didn't know anything about Camille Rose until I got this product here. And afterwards I was like, yes, I have to buy some more of your products. And they have her website, the website on here, it's CamilleRoseNaturals.com. And she's in Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, I think this is an awesome product, so you guys should definitely try it out. Like I said, it's really light. It's not heavy at all. You could just put a little bit on your skin. You get that shine, and you also get that moisture. So yeah, I just wanted to do a review on it. I think it's an amazing product, and if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it. Like I said, this is the Camille Rose. She has a lot of different fragrances. It's not just the lemon meringue, but this was the sample that I got in my little bag that for the event that I went to. So yeah, guys, definitely try this out. It's amazing. I say it's a go. And yeah, so that's about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later.